Don't scroll. This might be the exact moment your soul has been begging for. Somewhere inside you, buried beneath the chaos, there's a force excellent but waiting. Not physical strength, not privilege, but will. A raw, unfiltered will. Forged from belief, from pain, from that part of you that refuses to die quietly. Every morning you wake up, the world throws fear at your face. Bills, pressure, doubt. And yet, you feel it. A whisper beneath the noise. You were made for more. Not because someone told you, but because your mind hasn't been fully weaponized yet. You've been taught to obey fear. Now, it's time to reprogram that mind. What you repeat becomes real. Every silent phrase you whisper in the dark becomes a seed. Say, "I'm tired," and you become weakness. Say, "I'll never make it," and you manifest failure. But say this with belief. I will earn 1 million by the 31st of December by building a business that delivers brutal value. I believe it. I act daily with fire and faith. That's not a dream. That's a contract with reality. Repeat it every morning before the world pollutes your mind. Not once. Every damn day. Because the universe doesn't respond to your wishes. It responds to your identity. And identity is built by repetition and fire. You're not here to watch. You're here to build. Burn this into your mind. Desire, belief, mental focus, energy transmutation, brotherhood, discipline. That's the formula. That's how legends rise. You don't need talent. You need fire. You don't need luck. You need routine. Build your mastermind. Cut off gossip. Connect with warriors, not victims. And above all, honor your dream through discipline. Not for applause, but because your future self is watching. Make him proud. Starting today,